Hey everyone, so I'm in the process of doing an oil change on my Raptor, and one additional step I have to take is checking the catch can that I added to this truck. Now, unfortunately, a lot of vehicles do not come with these catch cans, and I think it's becoming more and more important to get these things as more and more vehicles are running higher compression. You're seeing a lot more vehicles with turbochargers, and manufacturers are actually starting to use lower tension piston rings for fuel economy and emissions reasons, that you're getting more blow by. And essentially what that means is there's more junk like fuel and oil vapor coming through the PCV system and going back into the intake. So this catch can is designed to filter out anything besides air that goes back into the intake system. So you do need to periodically service these. Catch cans are designed to catch any contaminants and hold them, and air oil separators like the one on my GT500 is designed to put anything it catches back into the crankcase. So these do have to be serviced periodically and checked. Now this truck only has about 2,500 miles on it, but you can see there is some junk in there. So let's take this over to the workbench and get a closer look at it. Okay, so let's get a closer look at exactly what this oil looks like after 2,500 miles. Now, that's really not a big interval, but I don't drive this truck too much, so the oil is kind of timed out. So again, 2,500 miles, this is Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic Engine Oil. So this thing was probably maybe a quarter full or so. There is a little bit of junk at the bottom, not really. It's a pretty small amount overall of contaminants left at the bottom. There is a noticeable smell of fuel in this oil, so this is good to keep this from going back into your intake. So, I mean, the oil's pretty discolored. I don't see anything really floating in the oil, contaminants-wise, but that's the idea of these catch cans, is to keep this kind of stuff from going back into your intake. So I think it's something that's pretty good to have. Unfortunately, like I said, most manufacturers don't put these on their cars, but you get more and more blow-by, especially on these high-compression turbo engines nowadays. So just, if you plan on keeping a car for a long time, it's a good idea to get one of these and keep that junk from going back into your engine. And if you're going what I would consider the average 5,000 miles, this thing would probably be about half full or so. This is designed to hold about 3 ounces of oil. So this is basically going to help keep your intake clean, which is especially important on vehicles that have direct injection or direct only injection. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.